Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Discord chats a bit more private, especially when it comes to sharing media as links, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to hide media that's posted as links in chat on Discord Web right from your PC. This is especially useful if you want to avoid unexpected images or videos popping up automatically in your conversations. Let's get started. First, open up Discord in your browser. You don't need to download anything extra, just head to the Discord website and log in with your account. Once you're in, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to that, there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear. This will open up your user settings. Now, from the menu on the left, scroll until you find the section labeled Chat. Click on it to open the chat settings. Here's where you can control how media is displayed in your chats. Look for the option called Display Images. Under this section, you'll see a setting that says, When posted as links to chat. By default, this might be enabled, which means that any image or video link shared in chat will automatically show a preview. If you want to stop those previews from appearing, simply toggle this option off. Once you've disabled When posted as links to chat, Discord will no longer show image or video previews for links posted in your chats. Instead, you'll just see the link itself, keeping your chat cleaner and giving you more control over what appears on your screen. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've taken control of your media privacy on Discord Web. This small change can make a big difference, especially in busy servers or group chats where lots of media gets shared. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends or anyone who might want a little more privacy in their Discord experience. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.